Hello again, everybody. Today's card trick video of the day on my website, thecardtrickteacher.com, is another card trick performed by Mahir the Demon 03. This is the second video in a row that I'm doing for a card trick that he performs. You guys have to check out his channel, but I'd like you to check out his performance of this card trick first. The link is in the description box. The link is also right here on the screen. Watch the performance first, then come back and I'll try to do my best to explain this complicated card trick. Okay, for this trick you're going to need to set the cards up using the Si Stebbind Stack. That's the clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. There's a link right over here for the Si Stebbind Stack tutorial. If you don't know how to do it, click on the link. I explain exactly how to set the cards up. That's number one. Number two, you're going to need not necessarily a gimmick card. You can use a piece of paper if you'd like, but you want it to say value and suit, and you want to have two arrows, and you want to remember which arrow is the value and which arrow is the suit. I made the value arrow a little longer. It's right on the border, so I know that's the value side. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the cards a couple of times, and there are two phases to this. We're going to ask the spectator for a number between 1 and 50. If the spectator gives us a number between 1 and 26, 1 and 25, our key number is going to be 12. If the spectator gives us a number between 26 and 50, our key number is going to be 39. So let me explain. The key number is the number that we subtract from the number that they give us. So we're going to say to the spectator after we cut the cards a couple of times that we'd like them to give us a number between 1 and 50. So let's say they say 16. We're going to subtract 12 from 16. 16 minus 12 is 4. So we have the spectator place this indicator card wherever they like, so they slide it in right over there. And now what we need to do is square them up and say, okay, you place the card right between these two cards over here. And now because 16 minus 12 is 4, it's a positive number, positive 4, we want to go 4 cards above and push off 4 cards right here. So we can say to the spectator that you could have selected these cards, any card you wanted. Now we move. After we get the 4 cards, we move the remaining cards to the bottom of the deck, and we take these cards out right here. The first card is the value. The second card is the suit. So we can ask the spectator if they'd like to switch. If they want to switch, then this card is the value right here. Since this is value, we flip it over like that. If the card was like this and they said value, they want to keep it here, we flip it over like this. So we flip it over, get this card to the value, which means it's an ace. And that's of clubs, so it's the ace of clubs. So the 16th card is the ace of clubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The 16th card is the ace of clubs. Okay, let's reset the trick. So we have the clubs, hearts, 7 of hearts is 4. There's the ace. It's very easy to reset the trick. Okay, now let's say the spectator gives us a number less than 12. Let's say they give us the number 7. We say, okay, what we'd like you to do is, your number is 7. We're going to try and find the card in an unusual way. Slide this anywhere you'd like. And let's say they slide it between these two cards right over here. Now, we know number 7. We subtract 12 from 7. So we say 7 minus 12 is negative 5. That means we're going to have to go 5 cards below. So we say, okay, you slid the card right here between these two cards. You could have slid the card anywhere you wanted between any of these cards. And what I just did was I pushed off 5 cards below these cards right here, move these cards to the top, take these cards out, set them down, 1, 2, 3. We know that this is the value, and value is pointing this way, so we turn it over. We know the value is a 5. The suit is a diamond. And we know the 7th card is the 5 of diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th card is the 5 of diamonds. Okay, let me reset that one more time. Jack of clubs. There's the Jack of clubs. So there's the 8. There's the 5. It's pretty easy to reset this. Now, the key number, like I said, you have to remember, is subtracted from the number they give. So if it's a positive number that we get after we subtract it, then that's the amount of cards we count above the indicator card. If it's a negative number, that's how many we count below. Now, if they should happen to give us a number above 25, so a number between 26 and 50, then we're going to use number 39 as an indicator. So let's say they give us the number 45. We say 45 minus 39 is 6, and we're going to go 6 cards above the indicator card. Let's try it one more time. Let's say they give us the number 34. And we say, okay, your number is 34. Slide the card in wherever you want. Let's say they want to be a wise guy and slide it right near the top. No problem. All we need to do is just cut it right to the middle. And the number is 34. We know 34 minus 39 is negative 5. That means we're going to have to take 5 cards from the bottom. So we say, okay, you stop right between these 2 cards, and you could have gone here, you could have gone here, anywhere, but you chose right over here. Take the cards out, set them down. Now, when the number is above 26, the second card is the value card. So when the number was 1 to 25, the first card was the value, the second card was the suit. If the number is 26 or higher, then this is the value card, the second one is the value card, the first one is the suit card. So that's the value. We flip it over. The value is a 3. The suit is a heart. And we know the 34th card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 33. The 34th card is the 3 of hearts. So that's it. I think it's a brilliant card trick using the Si Stebbind Stack. You might think this is a little annoying, but this will absolutely blow people away. It's an amazing trick. So thank you, Mahir the Demon, for putting that trick up. I really like it. That's it. I'll see you next time.